Alright, welcome to my channel. This is a video on replacing the fuse for a Frigidaire microwave. I've never worked on a microwave before, and this one just stopped working out of the blue, and I didn't know what to do, so I did a quick Google search, and of course on YouTube there are several videos. I'm doing this video to help anybody else out that may have the same exact model Frigidaire as I have. And first of all, to find out which model Frigidaire you have, you just pop open the door. Okay, so at the bottom left you'll see the label, and this Frigidaire is the model number FFMV164LSA. Okay, so the first step in trying to figure out if your fuse needs to be replaced is after you have the model number, you want to make sure the power is cut off to your microwave, whether that's unplugging it from the wall or just turning off the breaker. You want to make sure that that's done before you do anything, before you even get at it with a screwdriver. So after you turn the power off, in either of those ways, unplugging it or turning the breaker off, then there's going to be two screws at the very top that you need to unscrew first. Okay, so it's going to be two screws on the left and the right side towards the front. So you want to undo those. Okay, so after those two screws are removed, then this piece right here should just pull out. It's got some tabs on it. So mine, the tabs on the top were broken from the previous owner of the house. So yours may be a little bit more difficult to come out. There are, you can see this, there are tabs. There's 3 tabs on the bottom that fit in here. So when you pull it out, you're probably going to have to tilt it downward, tilt it out and upward, something like that. But like I said, mine are broken, so it's a lot easier to come out. So just be careful when you pull yours out. Just make sure that you don't pull it straight out. There's going to have to be a little tilt in order to remove it and get it free. Okay, so the next step is on the right hand side of this particular microwave, there's going to be this little grill that needs to come out. And there's 2 screws holding that in. Just undo these 2 screws. Once those are undone, this little metal grill will come right out. All right, so now you have access to the fuse, and next thing you need to do is just remove that fuse. Remember, this is a glass fuse, so using a metal screwdriver tip might be a little tough on it. That'll work, but you just gotta be gentle with it. If you have something else, like I have this little plastic pry bar, I'm gonna use that and try to just work it out. Right. Simple as that. Just snaps into place like that. All right, once the fuse is in place, you just do the reverse of everything. Put the screws back in. Piece can go back in. It should just push right back in and snap into place. just screw the 2 screws that go in the top. And there you have it.